Hi everyone, I just wanted to take this time to say Happy Thanksgiving to all our American friends. Enjoy your day. Hi everyone, welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. This week we are going to make Philly cheesesteak sliders. I've already pre-prepped everything because I'm sure you didn't want to see me struggle trying to get everything ready. So on the ingredient list, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, that is going to be for our pan, 1 large onion, and it says 1 green pepper, both thinly sliced, but we prefer red or yellow or orange peppers, so I did a red one. Half pound of fresh shaved steak. So I have my steak here. I just bought it and I ran it through the food processor. We have a little shaver on that. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'll get through that. Half teaspoon of ground garlic powder. Not sea salt, but salt and pepper to taste. 1 to 12 pack of sweet bread buns. So I just got these little guys here from the grocery store. 6 slices of provolone cheese. A tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, not ground, and a half teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I got through that. Big thing, want to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. So I'm going to leave everybody right here, and I'm going to bring you over to the stove. Okay, we're heating our pan up medium to high heat. I always like to, on these stove tops, the glass ones, I always like to set it about 6 or 7. I got it at 7 for this. So I'm just gonna bring you guys down. We're gonna add in our onions and peppers. And we're just gonna cook these down until everything softens up. And when we're all ready to add in that meat, I will bring you back. Okay folks, I realized I slipped up with the camera. I've already added the steak in. I'm going to pan it down. I added the steak in, the Worcestershire, can never say it, sauce, the garlic, and some salt and pepper. Yeah, for some reason I had hit a setting on the camera and ended up in time warp. Yeah, anyways, when this is all ready to go, we're going to put it together over at the counter. See you in a bit. Okay, we're ready to put the sandwich together. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the base that we're going to put on top of the buns. So we got a tablespoon of melted butter. We're going to use a half a teaspoon of our Worcestershire sauce. I have to say that 3 times fast. Okay, so a half. And then we're going to use a teaspoon of dried thyme. Mix that, and this is what we're going to base, like I said, baste our buns. I'm just going to put that aside. Now. The other thing too is I got some au jus, Clubhouse au jus. That we're going to use for cooking. Now we are going to leave the buns all intact, just like this. And and we are going to cut them in half. Just like that. Now, throw that on here, a parchment paper. And we're gonna put in all our nice yummy steaks. Oh boy, it smells good. Okay, I don't think I'm going to use it all this. I will freeze the rest of this. I'm really glad I had our food processor. Because I tried to look for, sometimes you can buy the steak that's already pre-sliced, but I couldn't find any of it. So we're going to take 6 slices of this provolone cheese. You don't have to cut it, you can just kind of overlap it. Just like that. We're going to throw this top back on. Now we're going to baste the top of this. And this will go in the oven for 17 to 20 minutes. And that's it. When they are ready to go, we'll bring you over to the table for the taste test. All right, they're done. A little bit extra meat here. They're, well, I mean,
a little over toasted, but still good. We like them.
That's just because of the butter that had to go on.
Yeah.
Provolone cheese, very good. Okay. So that's it for this week, the Philly cheese sliders. I hope you enjoyed them. As I always say each week, right? And Brody's got a few words to add because Mr. Brody wants his French fry. Okay, as I always say every week, I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but I know Kelly is going to tell me. Thanks a lot and have a good week. Brody, are you going to help Daddy cook supper tonight? Are you going to help Daddy?